morning, traders. Welcome back. My name is Franco. This is Trading Futures Live. Before we begin, please remember that trading is risky and you can lose all your capital. So please don't take my trades. Let's jump right into it. I'm a bit late today. So I want to start with this chart. This is a 10-year yield. The rates are collapsing today. So that's why the market is gapping up. Okay. Market is perceiving lower rates as a positive sign, which I agree to, but I do have this area here. So I want to be aware of this area. Now I am very neutral today. It's going to be hard. It's going to be kind of like a tricky trading session because we are going to open in a supply COT. It's not the best quality, but it is an area of supply. Okay, so if we come to this area here and we're still ranging in that area, I will be more inclined to the short side. Okay, so this is the 10-year yield daily chart, and the demand is right here, is about to reach it. Okay, and the dollar is slightly different. It's slightly different, but similar in some way. Like you have all this pivot bouncing, though this pivot here that were supplies now are holding up this price here. Now, regarding the dollar, I think the dollar has more room to go down, at least to this 105.45. If that happens, probably the market will continue to go up. If the dollar just continues going up and doesn't do anything in this area, then I will take the market short. Okay, now if we have an open range breakout above the supply, that's where I want to get long very aggressively, but it's not happening right now. We are opening right at the supply. Okay, if we have some coordination between the dollar rates and the market, then I will short. If not, I will just wait patiently for my internals to show up some trading idea, and then I'll execute. Okay, but for now, those are my two trading ideas. Short if the dollar holds that, and the market does not go above 73, and long if we have an open range breakout. So with that being said, let's put the lines, the live stream here. So you're watching a regular trading session. We're gapping up and now we're off. You see how we're opening here at the red zone, right? This is the red area that I have. That's a COT from like 4 days ago. Paper, good morning. What do you mean? It's not doing shit. Yeah. All right, so the fangs are opening in supply as well. Crude oils and all commodities are bouncing back to the upside, but like I said, rates are about to reach certain level that is very important. And right now, I don't want to pay attention only to the dollar, but the rates. Because if rates reach that level, that's where I want to. Did you see the trade I posted on Discord? Holy Reaper and the call on drift. No, I haven't, but I can take a look at it and comment. Thanks, Paper. Thanks for being so active there. All right, so I'm gonna take this. Um, I'm gonna take this 68 three quarters. Let's see if we can have that. Rates are about to reach the demand again. Yeah. So rates are already there. Rates are already there. See if we have any sort of reaction. And oh shit, I'm entering without a bracket order. That's not bueno. Dollar continues to go up a little bit. I don't want it to go to 106 before I enter this trade, just because I do think the dollar has more downside, and this could be one of the days where the market move in tandem with the dollar. Like if the dollar goes up, the market goes up, and vice versa. Now, yeah, it's gonna take some time for us to fill this order, if we ever feel it. So what it makes, why I chose this red area. So here you have a launching point. You have the gap down here, and this is the COT from these 2 days. This is the majority of the volume. And sellers are being very aggressive there, so I want to see some movement to the downside. If not, is not good. They can create a an opposite force to the upside. Rates still going down. Oh no, it's gapping up a little bit. It's very hard to read this chart. The rates are going up now. Not going up for the day, but it's bouncing from the area that I chose. There was just one opportunity, bro. Huh? And we didn't take it. Let's see if we can have. some sort of retracement. We don't have any like uh, uh consumer sentiment is at 10, so probably that will give us some push. How much for order? 55.50. 65.50. 65.50. I don't know, bro. I like in the middle of the area there, which is you're in it. Yeah, now rates are flipping back up, and the dollar is still holding there. And the dollar is very bearish, so being bearish should be that I should be bullish on the market. But with rates like this, I'm curious, right? I don't get fooled by what the dollar is doing exclusively. The market is reacting to rates big time. All right, so now we're having a divergence on the advanced decline as well, which makes our trade a little bit more solid. Should be in it, right? Or no? No. What are you waiting for? Where do you think all the stops are placed? There you go, right? Like 67.50 is a good entry point, I think. Hmm? Wow. Oh my. Pardon me. Wow. I don't want to go long as of now. I might have some setup later. Pardon me, guys. Pardon me. I'm. Oh my god. Oh, they had orders here and then they pulled it out last minute. Yeah. Oh, really? Yeah. I mean, this. Mm. Yeah, they pulled the orders out, bro. Look at that shit. They try to fool people there. Mostly algos. I think a person is it's very hard for a person to. Yeah. Stops I don't think the long is the way to go as of now. I'm just waiting for opportunity to short here. And I have an order at 70. I know it's very high, but we do have news. The trading session is just starting. So what do you have there, Ale? Do you have any? Oh, look, minus from minus 240 to plus 600 to 600 in this 942 candle. So next 15 minutes is about to open in 30 seconds. So that is gonna give me some volatility to see if I can enter a trade. Advanced decline is very good, coming down. Tick chart is around hovering 0. New 15.
Bro, look at that. This whole line was red. This whole line was red like this. And then once it got here, it
They
just disappeared.
they pulled it out, right?
Yeah.
Spoofing is illegal, they say. But if you're small enough, who's gonna catch you is crazy. So we do have consumer confidence at 10. So yeah, at this point, I don't know if I'm gonna get this order filled. But the short is a no-brainer. It's coming off of the supply, never got above. Advanced decline is aggressively collapsing. And the last entry opportunity that we had was 65.50, which Ale had but didn't take. Um, but you actually had an order, right? And you pulled it out.
It out because I'm an idiot.
Well, don't say that. Just you're learning. And what was your target?
58.
50. Oh, so yeah, so you got to the target though. Hmm. Realistically, I think 4340 is not crazy if we go down to four. Huh? For today, yeah. Probably 55 is gonna cause some. 55 is yesterday's trading session high. It's gonna probably um as um work as a resistant.
And that
Yeah.
lot of buying.
Mm-hmm. Rates rates are going down a little bit, but not so much. Yeah. No.
Bro, I started just saying, well, you know, score.
Bro, this candle was 900 delta and end up minus 300. That's aggressive selling there. That is aggressive selling. 10 minutes for the news. Yo, welcome. Bro, YouTube just put an ad inside my. Yeah, why? I don't know. Sorry guys, but I just saw YouTube putting an ad on the middle of my thing. Need to disable that. Yeah, how do I disable that? Hmm. I don't know. I must have clicked something there that they put an ad, but I don't want to. I don't want any ad. That way, I cannot disable it though. Yeah, at this point 52. I don't know, Reno. I'm just reading your message, and yeah, like I was expecting. If you see my supply, right? If we would have opened here at 73, yeah, I would have uh looking for an open range breakout. But we opened up here, a lot of signs like rates were in demand, dollar was bouncing up. Yeah, the long is not crazy, but not before the supply, like after the supply. If we break this to the upside, then yes. Yeah, I do agree. I completely agree with that. Now I want to see what this thing does at 10 because we have consumer sentiment, right? Yeah, revised consumer sentiment. New 5 minutes. So if we come here and fill this order right, the last minute of the hour, I won't fill that order. Like I don't, I will cancel it just because we have news. Like I did yesterday. I had a trade and I like it closed it right before the news. In the same way, I don't want to fill a trade right before the news. The volatility can take me out and then move in my way. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel this order and I'm going to have a bracket here at 70. And when that happens, when it gets there, I will probably take it coming down if it gets there. Two and a half minutes for the news. Rates are coming down big time, and the dollar now is finding some sell areas. VIX is collapsing as well. But still, rates being here in this area does not make me confident to take the long as of right now. Like I would probably break 73, 75, and then a retest of that area will be a better trading idea for me to the long side. And if I don't have a setup, I won't take a trade today. It's not a big deal. Like sometimes no trading is trading. One minute. Yes, it's coming off of a daily supply. That's why yesterday I took longs, but only longs. I was not looking for any short. Like the dollar was coming hard from the supply. But now, let's see what happens here at 10. Oh my God, Jackie, you gotta stay. Just stay. Stay. Come on. Come on. The news is out. Some aggressive buying there, but not very aggressive, to be honest. Let's see if we have something there. Yeah, I'm gonna put on order there. Let's see if I can feel it. I don't think I can feel it. Oof. So aggressive selling there. Very aggressive. See if I can feel this order. If this doesn't work, I would just lose $20 per account. That's not a big deal. Hmm. Tick chart is not very bullish, and advanced decline very shallow candles to the upside. Very shallow candles to the upside. All right, now I think I can feel this order even better because I think the advanced decline will give me a divergence to the upside, to the downside, I mean. I just need this thing to go higher a little bit. Hmm. That's crazy. That is literally crazy. I didn't get this order filled. No fill? No fill. Bro, if we make a new high, the advanced decline has to go sharply up. And it doesn't look like it wants to go sharply up for this trade not to be a good trade. I mean, a good setup, I mean, not a winner. I mean, you never know if you're going to win or lose. But the more it does this, the more I like it. Bro, I was literally one tick. Oh, you're in it? Oh. Where you stuck?
My stop is 71.
Hmm. So if I get filled, you get stopped out.
I mean, where's your
No, my stop is above. It's
where's
70.
your order though?
70
water.
at 25. Yeah. 70.25. 25 minutes.
My profit is that is strong.
Yeah,
Yeah,
65.
look at that. It was negative 800 and then now it's positive.
Oof. Yeah,
Yeah.
a bunch of buying there.
A
But,
lot of buying there.
huh? A bunch. Yeah, a lot of buying. Well, let's see who wins, bro. That's how this thing works. Let's see who wins. For me, short is high probability right now. Probably later will change, but for me, right now, the short is the way. I need to question my greed. Look at that shit. I wanted to go in the fucking top. I was not flexible. I was zero flexible there. God damn
Good on the trade.
How many points up you are?
I'm up 4.5.
Nice.
Getting 8.5.
So I will tell you this: like 62 is gonna be a challenge.
Yes.
Huh?
In India.
Yeah, but you have the momentum now. 62 is gonna be a challenge there.
Look at all that selling and it's not dropping.
Yeah, yeah, a lot of selling there and it's not dropping. That's not bueno. No bueno. No bueno is no feel.
No bueno is no.
No bueno is no feel for one tick. Alright, that's fine. I need to be more flexible sometimes.
Yeah.
I mean, you have the momentum. These 5 minutes, it has 2 more minutes to go. If this candle turns around, I won't take this trade. If this one, this same 5 minute candle will sorry, if this 5 minute candle turns around and turns into a bullish candle, I won't take a trade there.
Yeah.
I will wait for it to drop. Yeah, now 70 is an illusion. If it comes back up, there we go. Yeah, the 62 is, and look how many buying orders, bro. Yeah, big time. As long as this 5 minutes stays like this, it's good. Yeah, it's bouncing.
There's not enough.
No.
Lots
4 seconds.
yeah, no. Forget about it.
Yeah, no, this order is not worth anymore. The pain of waiting, especially if these 5 minutes. So this thing has to drop somewhere around here, like here 65 3/4.
There are a lot of orders. Just this red line just popped up the bookmark.
Yeah, no, but look,
A lot of orders.
yeah, I don't mind taking it now. I don't mind taking it now though.
I'm taking it short now.
Yeah. How much is this?
Um,
66. 66. Yeah, $14. I'm gonna go for it. If this thing turns around, the momentum builds up to the downside, which I think it is a possibility, I'm gonna get in. Yeah, you have your stop break even, right?
yeah.
Yeah. All right, that's it. That's all that matters. Now the bad part here is that we're building value there. We are building value. Dollar continues to go up.
There is a box.
The supply, right?
You don't break.
Yeah, there's no momentum though.
There are a lot of orders. 1,000, 1,000 orders.
Where at?
1007,
Mhm.
2,000, almost 3,000 orders.
Mm.
You took it?
Yeah, but it's very low risk. 3 points. Yeah, I'm very late in this trade, so I don't want to add on until we get to this level 59, somewhere around there. And I think yesterday's COT 40 is not crazy. I don't see it like an impossibility. You're reaching target? Nice. Wow. That's a lot of selling, bro. Hmm? All right, I'm ready to add on if this thing goes below. Hmm. Yeah, so buyers are showing up there. Hmm? You didn't get target?
No, I was a 50.
God damn it.
I was one.
Yeah, I'm ready to add on here. If it doesn't go, it's just I will close this thing a break even. Or not a break even, I'm just gonna take this risk. If it turns around, it is what it is. My entry is very late, so I need to risk this money. Um for me in order for me to let the trade play out.
A lot of selling.
Yeah, and it's not going right.
Mm. Nearly 1,000 delta.
So I increased my risk a little bit. I increased my risk like from 13 to like $20. That's per account.
36. A lot of selling, bro. A lot of selling. See moment of truth. Off to the downside. On the way.
So this is yesterday's high. And the low today is gonna be probably a challenge also. For this one, I get rid of this one.
PR trade.
Oh, you're out?
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah. So the dollar has reached some supply. I want to be aware of that. Anyway, my risk is minimal though. And I'm aware that this is a very sensitive area though. We can bounce from here and go higher, but I do think we could reach 56 before we reach higher. So that's why this is my target. Hmm?
Sellers are in control. What's
Yeah.
your target?
56. Yeah, but now we are reaching the today's low. Let's see if we can break that. Solid. Yeah. He's encountering a lot of buying there. Jackie. This is it. Turning around? Probably, yes. Bro, I got a very bad entry.
You're talking about the first one?
Yeah, because I was very late. I had the best entry of all, but,
You did.
but I didn't take it.
I didn't take it. You didn't get filled.
I didn't get fill, yeah.
No fill.
No fill. If we don't break
That's a
it.
good setting right there.
Yeah, the red line, the
There's
red
a
line.
low.
There, yeah, that's the low of the day. That's no bueno.
You don't want to move your stuff.
Sort of, yeah. What time is this? Oh, 7 more minutes for this 15. So we can break. Yeah, like.
The 5 minute looks really red.
Hmm?
5 minute looks really red.
Yeah, but this is the low of the day. This is gonna cause a retracement, so that's it. I'm gonna move my stop. It is what it is. I might get stopped out. That's not good, but it is what it is. Like I thought this could just break to the downside with momentum, but it's not. There is a fight there. Oh yeah, sellers are there. Sellers are there, but buyers are absorbing that shit. Not yet.
think it's hovering around zero.
So I'm out. I'm out. Nice trade, bro. Nice trade to you too. That's it, guys. That was it for today. Short, add on, target. Now is reaching the high from yesterday. It's reaching the high from yesterday. It could continue to go, but and this trade was a super good trade of mine here. Like I was waiting this from earlier today, but I for one tick, and then I ended up going in very late in this pullback. Yeah. So I said 40, right? We're at 55. How many points did I get there? 7 points, Ale. Ah, it's an okay trade.
Pretty good trade.
Look at that shit. That's what I say, bro. Like just to reach my target, the thing is bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. Now that we're out of the trade, the thing rolls over, huh?
I mean, at least we caught it, bro.
Yeah.
Imagine we
Do you guys take any short? What do you guys took? George, do you take any trade? Yeah, my pre-market analysis is where I think was the key for me to take short, and is that I don't know if you guys saw it, but you can rewind the video here, and I said these are the rates, right? 10-year yield. When they come to this area, I don't want to long the market. I want to short it. And look what happens. We came to this area and it started to turn around. And also with the help on the dollar as well. That I was expecting the dollar actually to come to this level, but started to bounce earlier, right? Now we are in a dollar supply. Now rates, they still have some room. Now we don't know if the momentum is to the upside or to the downside. We don't know. But this is a very good structure to continue prices to the upside. And regarding the market structure on the ES, we do have yesterday's high right here. This is the red line. My target was right here, 56. I didn't want to suffer through this pullback. Because regardless if prices are gonna continue higher or not, I think this area always causes some sort of pullback. That's why I didn't like it. I think the momentum is to the downside, but how I added on after 3 points, Ale. Hmm? I was a little bit more
nice.
patient. I'm gonna go make a coffee. Coming back. All right, so we are back. Yeah, now I am staying put because I don't like the long. Really, I don't like the long too much. Although the dollar reached some sort of supply. This is from Asia session and the close at the New York session yesterday. Rates are bouncing off of the area of demand. So right now we have pre-mixed signals. We bounce from this red line, which is yesterday's high. Um,
Bro, look at Bookman.
they were before.
Yeah. 55, 54 level.
Perché
Come-
tomavo.
Mm. $10.36. I'm gonna check what happened. How was the news report? The revised consumer confidence. It was revised up from 67.7 to 68.1. Inflation expectations came to 3.2%. Yeah. And then we had earlier we had core PCE. That's what the Fed follows, right? Core PCE. Chicago PMI 44.1. Very low.
You already got level 5. Leaving
futures for options trading. Or if you do same day expiries. How's the psychology? Psychology could same day expiration.
You go to here.
Privacy. Nice. Thank you, man. Just wait.
You gonna take another trip?
I don't think so. No, I'm fine. I'm done for the day. I made 870 bucks. Yeah. It's not as good as yesterday, but since I entered the trade friggin' late.
You entered at what, 63?
63.25.
Is that getting heat or?
No, not really. Oh, no, not really. I got
Got in at 10:14.
I got in at the candle that closed at 13. And then I added on here, but my entry was here, Frank. And my entry was, huh? God damn it. Now let's go review what's going on. Let's go review what's going on with dollar and rates. So rates are bouncing, still bouncing, and the dollar is has reached some supply here, which is not my favorite, but look, it's causing some retracement there. Let's see if the dollar can continues to the upside. I think the market, if the dollar continues to the upside, the market will continue lower today. If not, then the market would have bounced. But I'm okay with it. Like, I know this red line was a support. Okay. Here. Same. For those who are watching, I do appreciate you spending your time with me. And if you think this content is valuable, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit the like button. Hit the like button. Yeah, the button. The button. Oh my god. Also, for those who like funding accounts, I have a discount code with Apex. They have 90% discount right now. If you use my code, you will get the 90% anyways, and you will help me support the channel. Thank you. Bro, you could cancel and buy a new one. 90%. What do you think?
Yeah, I think
Huh?
I'll do it.
But
I still have to October 6th.
yes, but I don't think it's gonna last till October 6th.
The offer.
The 90%. So well,
Once you cancel it, like,
yeah, when it gets to the date, they just close the account. But You could just start a new one. You don't need to wait till October 6th. Thank you, Spider. Thank you. Appreciate it. To be honest, it's not much what I make, but every penny counts, right? I do this uh with no profitability. I mean, here I don't make any money. I have made $50 off of YouTube, and it takes a lot of work. But I think it helps me big time on my trading, accountability, and so on. So that's why I do it. Bro, one tick off of your stop order. Damn, that was a freaking nice stop order. So again, this 65 is working, and we might spend the rest of the day here. Who knows? I do think the short still the best choice today, given the fact that rates are bouncing off of the demand. Wow.
That's a big old stop on
Mm-hmm.
lower short here, just stopped out,
Mm-hmm.
and then they bring it.
Bro, they do it so easily. They have very powerful algos. It's not like us. Bro, again, YouTube is putting ads. How do I
Oh,
cheat?
really?
Yeah, that's so annoying. I must have clicked, and I think I remember clicking that shit. Yeah. Thanks are holding, bro. So Apple is 1% up. Microsoft is 1.3. Google is 0.3%. Tesla, ooh, almost 3%.
The fangs are up.
Not all of them. Yeah. Meta is up. Nvidia is +2. Amazon is +2. Yeah, all of them are up. But they are in a very interesting area.
What helped a lot in this divergence we had on the. Remember?
The what?
We had a big divergence on the ADD
Yes, we did have one. That's why
in the
I
supply.
that's why I got in.
That was a big.
Meta. Did you see the Meta Quest?
I saw they did like an update or the glasses.
And they're gonna
Bro,
do
there's you know this guy, the Russian guy, interviewed Zuckerberg. Yeah, Lex something, I don't
the
remember.
guy
with the
mustache. No,
Nah, let me Google it.
he's
saw that he's doing more improvements to metaverse and
Yeah.
he's coming
showed
out
the
with
glass.
Let Friedman, this one.
Oh,
It says American, but I think he was born in Russia.
I think I heard of
Yeah, I know, he's pretty famous. He interviewed Zuckerberg. Look at this. He was in Austin apparently, and I don't know where it was. Look, that's through the metaverse. Look at that image. They were talking.
Having a conversation with Meta.
Yeah, and it looks pretty cool. Yes.
Do you think
Friedman, there you go, Spider. Thanks, buddy. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of
Suck.
Zuckerberg, but
Suck.
Zag,
it's
suck. But that's, I mean,
Do you think
they're
metaverse
pretty
has the-
cool. They're pretty cool though.
Do you think
Metaverse
has
has
the future?
I mean, like they're using it, bro. It looks pretty nice, pretty cool. So good. I just saw like an
Wow.
extract. Look at that.
That's what I saw. Yeah.
Huh?
And he
Wow.
did improvements.
Just to the
If you look when he first introduced it, like it looked like a little cartoon. Now it's
No, now it's more
now
realistic.
it's
Look,
more
and
realistic.
you can.
Wow.
Yeah. Bro, it's amazing. Oh my god. Where are we gonna get? So I would like just to live 200 years just to see the technology. Yeah. So there you go. What do you say about 40? 43, 40 is too much to ask.
Yeah, I mean,
since the
big companies are up.
Yeah. Unless they start dropping, right? Where's the advanced decline? Going down. Down, down, down.
What am I saying? The sim?
Like,
The wormhole that they're seeing.
Mariko. Serious Mariko. Hey Spider, since you're active in the chat, did you take any trade? What were you thinking? Like, what was your trading idea for today's trading session? I mean, we can have a conversation. I'm just watching the market. If you want to, right? So you were short at 63. Now, do you see my order was up here, right? And I didn't get filled. Now my cousin here, he got it a lot better than I did. I think I don't know what was his entry, but he's stepped out of the room. But definitely this area was very good, and I took the short. What was your first entry?
it was 68 25.
Wow, bro, that was amazing. You could have held to 56, but 68. Yeah, nice. And you added on at 58. Where was my add-on? A little bit sooner than yours. And you got out at 55, so you actually had held it a little bit more than I did. Good. I was not. I mean, is a pullback continuation. We have the bias of the day with momentum, and the target was close because I we did have some support areas right there at 56.
Right for short.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. Like the test. Where's your view up at? 61. Oh. Well, you take it on what time frame, Spider? Oh, you got it here at, well, look. Nice. So you're on the 1 minute. 63. Oh yeah, well, when we when I got in, the view up was hovering around, like hovering on the view up. Prices were hovering on the view up, and then we broke to the downside. And then we came to sort of like retest the view up, and then we continued to the downside. And that happened again at 10:45, although they stop all the people out, and then they pushed it down. Now we're very far from the view up. Nice. I think I think one good trade is all one needs, right? One good trade, and understand if they can pay you off, or you just need to stay away. For now, I just need to stay away because of two reasons. This supply was a supply that would have think I would have thought that prices were going to drop dramatically to the downside. Bro, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that ad. Oh my god. How do I just Bro, they're paused. And I just got another freaking ad. I don't want ads. Oh, okay. Yeah, me too. I'm very new to adding to my positions. I was the one that opened up a position, didn't manage it, either break even, losing, or winning trade. So I had those three possibilities. But now I just flipped my mind since I prepared the video for the position sizing. I read this book, and it's not the first time my friend George read it too. But I went through it. This is a book by Banthorpe. So preparing the video for the position sizing, I just realized that the only way to be profitable is to maximize your winners, meaning squeeze your winners. And you don't know what's going to happen to the position once you enter, right? It's completely random. You can enter a position and lose, or you can enter a position and start winning, right? So what he says is, all right, after reviewing 33 position sizing methods, the only way I think, and these are his words, the only way I see winning traders is when they get more aggressive when they're winning. And that's AKA adding on to your trades when you are making money, not when you're losing money. Because the fact that you're losing money means that the market is not agreeing with what you're thinking, right? If the market agrees with your trading idea, then yes, you can, try to squeeze that and make the market to pay you more. Now, one thing on the add-ons is that to move the stop to break even, it has to be enough room for it to happen. Because if you're adding in a winning position, you're worsening your average point, right? So if you see here, at this point, where was it? Yeah, at this point, my average was around here, right? Let's call it here. And let me put this in another. Let me put it in another color, a green color, right? So this is my average after my add-on, and I was up 3 points, right? More than that, I was up 5 points from my first entry. But then later, look at this, it retraced 3.5, and I am now losing a little bit of money. My stop was always around here, about this. If market structure changes, then I'm gonna be stopped out, and I am still risking money. I cannot move my stop to break even because I'm asking the market to stop me out. So the market is agreeing with me. The market is in agreement with me that it's gonna go down. So you have your trading idea. Anything can change at any given time. But if you have your conviction no, that's not the right word. If you have your trading direction, right? You need to understand that these sort of things will happen. And if I would have moved my stop here break even and thinking that I'm not gonna risk any money, right? I'm asking the market to just go straight down. That's not realistic. Or going straight up, that's not realistic either. So yes, I added on and I increased my risk a little bit from $13 per account to $20 per account. And I'm trading 15 accounts today. And then this happened and I closed my trade here. But yeah, I'm fairly new to it, but that's, I think, it's a very good way. I'll show you this. The other day, already known. No, just I'm trying to do it after the first pullback. Meaning, if it creates some sort of structure, for instance, this one, you see that? What would have happened if the market would have continued to the upside like this? I would have lost whatever my initial risk was. Okay, since it did this, right? I ideally breaking this candle, but I was a little bit late. It was too fast, right? And I saw a lot of selling orders coming in here in this candle, and I said, all right, I'm gonna add on after the pullback happens, right? Because this is a market structure being created. It pulls back. This is the impulsive move, a corrective move, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, right? And so on and so forth, right? Um, so yes, you need the pullback in order for you to understand that the market already pulled back and it's going to continue down. What used to happen the very first days that I was adding, it was, and I'll show you one day that I added so fast and I moved my stuff to break even. I made like 1,000 mistakes at the same time. But yeah, if you wait for a pullback, you either accept the loss if it continues against you, or you add to your position thinking that the market is agreeing with you. That's I wanted to show you this, and I think this day was kind of tricky for me because I was all over the place, very impatient, and I was very impatient and doing, like taking like trades lightly. But look at this day, 6 trades, right? If you see here, I have just one winner and 1, 2, 3, 4 losing trades and 1 break even. And I still managed to close out the day positive. Now this one was a 2 add-ons, 1 plus 2, and I made 101. Whereas the others costed me, look, 15, 17, 15, 13. So that's the beauty of the add-on. If you are wrong, you're going to lose less. Now, if you are right, you need to risk more. And I don't know if this is the right way to say it, but have the balls to risk more money when the market is agreeing with you is something that is very counterintuitive. Nobody taught me that. I went to OTA and nobody tells you that you need to get more aggressive when you're winning. It's the other way around. You need to retreat when you're winning, like cash in. And that's the retail mentality. When you're making money, you need to take money out of the table. You tend to take money out of the table because that's the psychology of this, makes you do that. because you want to lock in your winning trade because you're fearful. You're fearful of losing, or you're fearful of whatever. Um, so when you're winning, you want to right away close it so you record a winning trade, and then the market continues. And I'm just talking about the theory. I'm working very hard to um, uh, improve myself in that regard. So I also feel that I really want to record winning trades. But that's not the way. That's not the right way. The right way is just squeeze the market when you are correct, because it's very hard to be correct reading the market. It's very hard. It's so random. It's so um, noisy that it is hard to be correct. Yeah, press the winners. Yeah, squeeze them. Retail traders, myself, I like to lock in those profits and look for another down the road. Um, I know if I take another trade, my probability of winning is gonna go down, because sadly, my hit rate this month, I'll tell you, I don't have to hide it, is 29%. So 70% of my trades are losing trades. Now, like you saw, I lost 4 trades and I won one. That still put me into profit, right? Um, but I don't see any market conditions that really attract me to take another trade today. Um, Yesterday I missed out big time. I missed out big time because there were some more opportunities after I um took my trade. But that's part of the, I think that's part of the learning process that I'm going through. And don't get me wrong. This market today, even though we're dropping from 69 or whatever the open was, this market can be risk on. We're gapping up, right? We're building value here. Value, look where value is, 43.20 from the past days. Now we're sideways here. So that tells me that when we come back to these levels, either 40 or 18, we might have some more upside. Um, so the market is not bearish, even though we're sideways here. Now we have a squeeze. A lot of buying, a lot of volume in this candle. Look at that. Mm. Where are you located, Spider? Are you in the US? New Jersey? Nice. Oh yeah, the drawdown kills you. So look, um, if you want to make a plan for those for those accounts, do you have multiple accounts, right? I do have 12 with Apex, and I have 10 with LEELOO. Um, yeah, I think these type of accounts, if you have a $150,000 account like I have, if you don't have multiple accounts, you're gonna be always under capitalized. So the majority of day traders are undercapitalized. How you can make big money if you are undercapitalized? That's completely unrealistic. Thinking that you're gonna get rich fast is not. That's not the way this works. Um, so if you risk from 1 to 2%, if you have the 50,000, if you have the 50,000, what's the threshold on the 50,000? You're 25, right? So 50,000 is 2,500, right? That's let me go.
Should be 25 or 3,000.
Yeah, I'm gonna go check that. Apex. No. So by the way, the 90% off. Oh, you have 6 more days. Nice. And look, I don't know these people. I just have their affiliate link to support my channel. That's it. I don't know what's gonna happen. I do have 12 accounts with them. So if you have 50K, yes, you put there 25 with 3K profit. So you really, when you get funded, you get a $2,500 account. Forget about the 50K. That's not true. You have a $2,500 account. So you need to risk. And it's tough because you need to start very low. Like 2,500 times 0.02 is $50 per trade. 50. But let's say you start risking 2%, which is on the high end that I think is ideal. Still, between 1 and 2 is good, but 2%, I don't risk 2%. But all right, let's say you're risking 2% is 50, and you try to make twice that amount per day. You reach the threshold in 30 trading days, right? And that's six weeks, and you can start withdrawing money. Now, I wouldn't recommend that because the threshold is gonna move. So you need to make at least 30% more of your threshold, like 3,300, and then you withdraw probably 500, and then you keep 28, and then you start growing the account. Because if you don't do that, you're never gonna grow the account. And they give you $25,000 free of charge. So they give you $25,000 free and clear. I mean, not free and clear of taxes, but $25,000 that they don't charge you the 10% fee that they charge you. So it's not completely unrealistic. And I was completely wrong when I thought that I needed to make $1,000 per account. I was completely off. For me, if I make $300, $400, I can make a very good living off of it. And I'm trading the 150K though. I do have 22 funded accounts. And Spider, what do you use to replicate your trades? Sierra charts. Oh, gotcha. I use Replicanto. I have LEELOO in another computer. Back there, I don't know if you see it, where the light is. Oh, built in. Oh, gotcha. Yeah. So the supply still continues to work. Wow. Look at the 15-minute. 15-minute chart is wow, it's wild. All right, bro. Do you have any other question? And I appreciate you come here every day. Thank you, man. I'm gonna wrap up this live stream. All right. You too. Have a nice weekend. See you guys on Monday. Trade safe, and if you don't have a solid trading idea, just remember that sometimes no trades is good trading. Okay? So enjoy your weekend and see you guys back on Monday. Bye.